Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Me too. Do you bring your math homework?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done.
Show me your copy.
There it is.
MashaAllah, very good. Excellent. Your answer is all the correct. Next day, you will be bring your math homework of timetables of 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love homework.
Hello students, how are you today? I said, how are you today?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm great. Do you bring your homework today?
No, sir.
Why don't you bring your homework today? You stand up. Why don't you bring your homework today?
My dog ate my homework, sir.
You stand up. Why don't you bring your homework today?
My bird ate my homework, sir.
What? Tomorrow you will bring your homework and today I'll give you more homework. Okay?
No, sir. No, sir. Please. No, sir.
Noun. A noun is a naming word. For example, Rubaiyat goes to school. In the sentence, Rubaiyat and schools are noun. And another example is Saad is chocolate. In the sentence, Saad and chocolates are noun. Understood, students?
Yes, please.
Okay, Sharfia, stand up. Tell me in the first sentence which two are nouns.
In the sentence, there are two nouns. They are Rubaiyat and school.
Well done, Sharfia. Sit down, Saad, stand up. Tell me in the second sentence which two are nouns.
In this sentence, there are two nouns. Saad and chocolate.
Excellent, Saad, sit down. You are doing well. I will teach you again tomorrow. Noun. A noun is a naming word. For example, Arifa goes to school. In this sentence, Arifa and schools are noun. And another example is Imtaj is chocolate. In this sentence, Imtaj and chocolates are noun. Understood, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Arifa stands up. Tell me on the first sentence which two are nouns.
Miss goes.
Oh no, that's not the correct answer. Sit down in the stand up. Tell me on the second sentence which two are nouns.
Miss eats.
Oh no, that's not the correct answer. Sit down. You're doing bad. I'm so tired today. I will teach you from tomorrow. Hello students, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Today I will take your science class.
Okay, sir.
Nobody will talk.
Okay, sir.
So do you know what is plant? Where do you don't answering?
Sir, because you say that's silent.
Oh. Dutch, what's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is sunflower.
Wow,
Hello, students. I said hello, students.
Wow. Oh, hello, sir.
Oh, hello, sir.
Today I'm read you science. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Nobody will talk. Okay, sir. Do you know what is plant? Do you know my favorite color is pink?
Do you know what is plant?
What's with your friends?
Do you know what is plant?
Wow, amazing.
Stand up, student.
Oh.
We're talking.
Sorry, sir.
Get out the class.
Sorry, sir. We'll not talk again, promise.
Sit down.
Okay, what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is trick.
Wow, but I don't like this. Okay, which kind of food you like most?
Do you know what is plant?
Oh, okay.
Do you know what is plant?
Okay, then.
Do you know what
do
is
you like
plant?
dark or light colors?
If you see A-E in a sentence, the pronunciation will be A. Such as make,
Make,
take,
take,
lake,
lake,
baba bake.
bake,
Type stand up. Pronounce the first two words.
mama make, take.
Excellent. Sit down. Sat stand up. Pronounce the last two words.
Lake, baba bake.
Super. Sit down. If you say A-E in a word, it will pronounce A. Such as
Mama make, take, lake, baba bake.
That's a stand up. Pronounce these words.
Make, take,
What did you say? It's all wrong. Did I teach you this?
Yes.